Okay, guys, we're going to be doing incline dumbbell chest press. So you're going to find a bench, something you can adjust around 45 degrees, okay? Let me show you the mechanics real quick. Go ahead and grab this angle. First thing you're going to do is you're going to flex your back. That's going to pop up your chest. You're going to flex your back. You're going to go down, driving from the heels. You're going to go up and really drive with the elbows at the top and really squeeze the chest. 1, 2, 3, and up. All right, so let's do that. Grab your 2 dumbbells. Okay. Is your starting position. Chest up, back flexed. Up. Drive with their elbows. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2, 3. Up. Notice how I'm not touching the dumbbells together. Up. I'm really focusing on the elbows. Because if you touch them together, if you're doing this, you're going to lose tension. You don't want to do that. Keep it out here. 1, 2, 3, up. That's incline dumbbell chest press.